Alright guys, Chad.Lanz here with Guaranty RV. Welcome to our show site. I'm doing a video here from the show, so bear with me. But we got ourselves a brand new Heartland trailer here. It's a Sundance, it's 2019, the newest technology out. It's a 312 bunkhouse, and so that's going to tell us that it's a bunkhouse. Great features about this unit here. We're going to start on this other side here. You got a plug right here for your solars, so when you want to get your solar panels and keep your batteries charged, you can plug it in right there. Easy. Put your generator and all your good stuff in there while you're camping, chairs, all that, you know, all the stuff that you got to bring that's always in the way. And come right back over here and I'll show you where you hook up to. This is going to be your cable, power, all your hookups, all that good stuff. City water connection. We come on this way over here. Got yourself the back bumper, spare tire, pre-set up for a backup camera if you choose to go that route. When you get back over here to the corner, this is the ultimate tailgater, I would think, but you can use it for whatever, cleaning fish out, hunting, fishing, just camping with the kids, like I said, ducks games, beavers games, whatever you want to do. It's kind of nice to have that stuff out here. Another cool feature, when you get out here, you also have the electric awning, which is going to be nice to stand under if it does rain. We are in Oregon. You got some outdoor speakers, which are pretty nice as well. And there's going to be your 6-gallon hot water heater. Alright guys, Chad.Lanz, Guaranty RV. We're going to show you the inside of this unit here. Great thing that I told you about it, huge bunkhouse. These fold down into a bed, so you got tons of space for kids to play and play video games, hang out, all that stuff. If you got a big family, that's great. Bunkhouse is here and here. We got a ladder that you can actually pull out to get up, which is kind of nice. Lots of storage for clothes. Another cool thing about this unit here is it actually has a solid door, so if you don't want the kids, see you later. And then this table here is actually going to fold down into a bed as well if you do have extra guests. This couch here is also going to fold down into a bed, and we're going to go back here to the bathroom and show you a couple features in here. A lot of features that you're going to find in here is you got the bathroom door, so if you are on a long road trip, you can actually pull over and use that restroom. Toilet, you got a sink, some places to hang up some towels, a nice tub shower bath. We'll head in here to the kitchen. Nice, easy flow, easy to use, 3-burner top. You got an oven, microwave. You've got your refrigerator right there. Huge sink. Very nice for when you're out camping. And then the cool thing about this entertainment system here is when you're in your bedroom, you can actually close the doors and spin it around so you can watch TV in bed as well if you'd like to do that. And like I told you on the outside, the awning is electric. That's going to be right there. Super easy to use. And we'll come over here into the bedroom. Tons of storage space for your clothes and all that good stuff. Nice walk around bed for you and your wife or significant other to have your own space. This is Chad.Lanz, Guaranty RV. Come down and see me. I'd love to show you a few more units. 702-249-6264. Give me a call anytime.